Welcome everybody. Today we are in Old Town Chicago. We're going to go check out a couple filming locations from the Blues Brothers, Vice Versa, and also the Lincoln Park Zoo. So come with us. Alright, we are in Old Town Chicago. There's a couple filming locations out here. The movie Vice Versa, Fred Savage, Judge Reinhold down here on Wells. And I will head over there afterwards to check that out. And if we go behind it, you got a Blues Brothers filming location also. So hopefully we'll get to see those today. Mr. Abraham Lincoln. Alright, so we are behind the Chicago History Museum. We are going to be heading over to the underneath of the bridge where the Blues Brothers were sneaking out after the concert at the hall. They were pushing the car and the police were on top of the bridge before the huge police chase with the Nazis at the end. Alright, so this would be the bridge where the Blues Brothers are pulling out and they knock the speaker off the top of their police car. I'm not sure exactly which angle it was. Or maybe out on the other side where everyone starts shooting at them. Now I would film both ways that they would maybe came out, but I think it's on the other side. So all the police were up on top of the bridge and they were driving out, hit the bar, knocked the speaker off. Carrie Fisher let it go. And everyone starts shooting at him as they drive off. Alright, so I can't really tell which side it was, but I would assume it's this side. This side comes out a little bit lower. Alright, so it obviously looks like the whole bridge has been replaced. Can't really line up anything, but I would assume they're driving out somewhere over here towards the traffic light. Guns ricocheting, bullets ricocheting. So they're heading over towards Lakeshore Drive. Alright, so we have Blues Brothers location. Whether or not it's not even close to looking like the same bridge in the movie. Alright, so we're going to jump to some old footage of a Blues Brothers location that was at Phil's Beach in Wakanda when they were driving along the beach and the people going down the huge slide. Look at that thing. That is crazy. Old school fun over there. Alright, so had to come back to Wakanda for the Blues Brothers filming location. But when they're driving on the beach, people are jumping in the water. So John Landis's Blues Brothers. So I don't know how often this beach is open, but it looks like it's pretty cool. They definitely made some upgrades to it. It's closed right now. Since we're in the area, we're gonna head over to Lincoln Park Zoo. Hope you guys enjoyed that video from like a year ago that I've been sitting on. It's a beautiful day here in Chicago. We're on the other side of the zoo. We made it to the first part, the farm zoo. Alright, so we said no to farm animals, but yes to Dippin' Dots. So if you do come here, the bridge is a perfect fun pick location. A lot of people like to go over here for wedding photos. In the little pavilion thing there. There's a girl dressed up like a fairy down here.
Oh, he's up there.
Sorry.
You see the family there? Is that the mom?
The baby is that baby is like
Look at the baby.
look at the baby. The baby's like
Oh, so sad.
the baby is still like
You ready?
Primate house?
A small animal house.
These monkeys were like this big. The mice were one that usually this big, a monkey fish.
He looks super majestic.
she was a fairy. Godmother. Oh, the fairy. She was a fairy.
Is he gonna get up and move? He's like, I can sense you guys all staring at me and judging me.
There you go.
And we go
Take it.
back to the car.
Yeah, we're heading back to the car.
Heading back to the
Alright, so as we are leaving Lincoln Park Zoo, which was closing earlier this day, we're heading through a tunnel that looks a lot more like the one from the Blues Brothers movie. But this is not the one. This one just has not been remodeled yet. Right?
And go tap by snakes.
Oh. We're gonna go. Wait.
So now this tunnel looks more like the Blues Brothers tunnel. So I would assume that's what the other tunnels look like before they remodeled them.
Because the other one was far bigger.
Right? Yeah, because it was really small. Car barely fit in there. Alright, so we are on North Wells. And this will be a vice versa filming location. We are walking past Zany's. So they tore down the Irish pub. They were supposed to build this thing. And it's been many years. And they still have not built this building after they tore down the Irish pub here. Alright, so I believe right there is where that big clock from the old abandoned Irish pub was, right here. Alright, so there used to be a big old clock over here. That was in front of the Irish pub here, kind of like the one on Marshall Fields, the Macy's. But you can see Judge Reinhold running down North Wells to answer the phone call. Alright, so here on the right hand side is the first Crate and Barrel building. And I'm showing you guys this because Harrison Ford supposedly used to work there. He worked there for 4 months before he got fired for showing up late.
At the first, was it the first Crate and Barrel in Chicago?
Yeah.
Yeah. When was that you worked at Crate and Barrel? Because I love this idea, this vision.
It was for about 4 months until I got fired.
They fired you?
Yeah.
Why did they fire you?
I came back late from lunch.
That was it?
Alright, so also in it you can see a Ripley's Believe It or Not sign in the background. And that Ripley's used to be in this building here, this Old Town dental care place. Now it used to be a Ripley's Believe It or Not. So this is the old Ripley's building. Alright, so that's the old Ripley's Believe It or Not building. Alright, so that'll do it for this video. We are heading back to Piper's Alley to get our car. We're going to stop in here and get some chocolate bark. But hey guys, thanks for watching. This video is really old. This was back when we did the Chicago History Museum. And it's just been sitting here waiting and waiting because I wanted to put some more movie clips in here. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And we will see you guys later.